Hi, my name is Tipi, and I'm the customer success guru at 3D Sellers, an all-in-one platform that offers you the most comprehensive selection of solutions dedicated to increasing your eBay sales. In today's video, I'll show you how a great eBay listing design can transform your business and drive your sales by over 300%. I'll show you the power of a professionally designed template, how to make sure that your listings are mobile responsive, why you need to make sure that your listings are eBay compliant, and how to use your listing design to also cross-sell your other products. So let's start with the important question of how effective is a professionally designed, responsive, eBay compliant, and cross-selling listing template? First of all, studies comparing side-by-side similar listings have shown that listings with a design rather than plain text perform better with a 40% higher conversion rate. Secondly, studies also shown that 60% of all sales on eBay are initiated from a mobile device, which means that a responsive design is highly crucial. So by making sure that your listings are adapted to browsing from a mobile device, you can already lower the bounce rate of visitors on mobile and increase your conversion rate by up to 118%. Not only that, but when utilizing your listing design to advertise promotions you're running or to cross-sell other products, you can additionally increase your conversion rate by over 160%. Now, let's dig deeper into how your listing design can help you in increasing sales. So, first of all, a professional appearance and branding might have a higher impact on one seller's listing than others, but overall the benefits are clear. A professional appearance can be a highly determining factor in making your listing stand out and helping you when competing with other sellers in selling the same or similar products. As a result, a professional design also builds your buyer's trust in you and your products, which you can also reinforce through the design by adding feedback comments from past buyers. It's not enough, though, for your template to just be plain pretty. Its main focus should be in helping you deliver information about the product, which is why it's crucial that the text is readable, so no fancy fonts that are not reader-friendly. Also, a good template design should not require too much scrolling. So, for example, grouping information in tabs or sliders can help with that. With eBay's recent active content policy, compliance of listing descriptions to eBay's guidelines is also key. Any designs that are not compliant can result in a hidden description and, of course, affect the listing description readability, which is why your template must be a modern one, which was developed with eBay's new active content guidelines in mind. eBay's recent changes also affect the visibility of listings in search results based on compliance with active content guidelines and the listing's mobile friendliness, which is why the responsiveness of the design template is also a key factor. Lastly, and most importantly, your listing template should be a tool to drive promotions and cross-sell your other products. And you can do so by advertising promotions or showing other products in your store. So let's see in action how such a listing design looks. To do so, I'll visit my 3D Sellers Listing Designer dashboard, where we have a selection of different responsive and professionally designed templates available. Here you can see how great each of these templates would look on devices of various sizes. And each of these templates also allows for plenty of flexibility when setting your brand look, such as customizing the colors, adding a logo, and adding an About Us section to the listing template. Now, let's take a look at how we can promote and cross-sell other products in our store. Starting with our main navigation, where we can link to different categories in our store. And next to the header of the template, we can show multiple slide banners linking to any category or promotion page in your store. Over here, we can also show other products that we want to promote. And here too, we can list all the different categories in our store. All of this is compliant with eBay's active content guidelines, so no JavaScript is involved. This also means that the cross-promoted product will stay the same ones until you update the design template, which you can easily do at any time by bulk updating your listings over here. You can also utilize the active content free tab text to deliver crucial information to buyers with minimal scrolling. Same with all the sliders that we offer that are 100% active content free. Now, sometimes all you need are a few keywords to highlight certain points to buyers and build their trust, which you can do over here with highlighting key offers such as free shipping and 30-day returns. And very importantly, you can add your best customer feedback comments over here, helping you share your best buyer stories and build trust in your brand. The Listing Designer tool is included in the Freedy Sellers platform, the most comprehensive selection of solutions dedicated to increasing your eBay sales. And this feature is included in the Freedy Sellers free plan, so you can try it 100% for free. To do so, just visit our site at www.freedysellers.com.